Water breathing explained. Today I'm going to explain the name of water breathing from Demon Slayer. And I normally create contents for learning Japanese grammar, but I received a request to create a video about the name of breathing technique. And I loved the idea and I chose water breathing. And today we are going to focus on いちのかた first form, minamo giri, water surface slash. And in all Japanese, we write from top to down and right to left. So these are difficult letters. It actually means first form, second form, third form, and from right to left. And all name of the technique, they include one or two kanji. It means or it's something related to water. So let's have a look. 一のかた minamo giri. Actually, this technique is used in episode 4, and Tanjiro was fighting against this demon and he slashed this demon parallel. Sorry about my bad animation, but people who already watched the anime, you know which scene I refer to. 一のかた minamo giri. So first, I want to focus on this part, 一のかた. And in anime or in manga, they use this kanji, but this is not for common use in modern time because this anime's period is Taisho era, which is 100 years ago. So, in modern time, we use this kanji for ichi. It means one. And kata means shape, but also perfect form for karate or martial art. And no is connection. So, 一のかた means first form. Then, actually the name of breathing technique, minamo giri. Let's break it down. Minamo. This means water surface. Mizu. This kanji, in common use, we say mizu, water, and then men means face. So, minamo means water surface. But minamo is very old or poetic way of reading, and in general we call suimen. And this men means face. In Demon Slayer, you may see this kind of fox mask. Kitsune no men. Kitsune means fox and men means mask. The master of Tanjiro, Urokodaki Sakonji, he gave this kind of fox mask, Kitsune no men, to Tanjiro to pray his safety before he went to final selection to be a Demon Slayer. Actually, fox mask, Kitsune no men, is popular or familiar in Japan. For example, there is a shrine called Fushimi Inari Taisha in Kyoto. This is Japan, and Kyoto is center of Japan. And this shrine is very famous for this lots of gate for foreigners. And when you go there, you can see lots of fox statues or fox mask, and we can actually write wishes. In general, for us, it's okay to pray for everything. And my grandparents they pray for our health. But when I was young, I just prayed to get a high score in our exam, so I was a bad person. But anyway, you can see these fox statues in Fushimi Taisha. Let's get back to the name of technique, giri. This part comes from the verb kiru. This is general, but using knife, we use this kanji, kiru, / the pronunciation is exactly same, and the verb, this form is informal version of cut or slash. So now we know this minamo giri consists of two words, minamo and kiru. And then when two words get together, one word, the second word get voiced, like kiru, giri. So ki changed to gi. And kiru, this is verb, and giri is noun. And also you can see this second word get voiced. We have other examples like origami. Origami is this. And origami consists of two words. Oru, fold, plus kami means paper. And kami, ka, get voiced. And it's became ga. So now we can say it loud. 一のかたminamo giri. Repeat after me. 一のかたminamo giri. Nicely done. So next, we are going to learn this kanji step by step. First of all, we have three letters. One is hiragana, which is basic original letter, and second katakana. This is most likely used to describe foreign word. And then third, kanji. We borrowed kanji from China 1,000 years ago. So this kanji, mizu, is joyo kanji. It means kanji for common use. As of 2010, there are 2,136 kanji, and the government advised us to use kanji from this table. In general, kanji has two ways of readings. One, we called onyomi. This is based on the way of reading in Chinese. And onyomi, this kanji, is sui. Sui. This is katakana, one of Japanese letter, because it is used for foreign word. And the sounds in Chinese, it's actually foreign word for us. And then we have another one, second one, called kunyomi. This is Japanese original reading and written in hiragana. Hiragana, this is most authentic and original Japanese. And this kanji, kunyomi, is mizu. That's why we saw minamo, minamo giri. This is actually comes from kunyomi because mi. And forget about this way of reading because this minamo giri, minamo is poetic word, so mina is not in kanji for common use table, but don't worry, it's fine because this anime, as I said, this anime's period was 100 years ago, so this is not in modern. It's okay. We have so many way of reading. This kanji also we read 水面, water surface, and this 水 actually comes from 音読み. Don't worry if you get confused, it's fine, just I wanted to explain. Finally, let's write this kanji, mizu, together. Each kanji has stroke order, so this mizu, first stroke is ichi first, this, and second, this, and third, this, and fourth is this. 水. Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。